everyone, my name is Nerswn and my estimated revenue is $4.2 billion. You know, my assets and all are so uncountable, but yet I will count for you, I own 6 mansions, 35 exotic cars, 3 yachts, 2 private planes, and 1 golf course. I assure you, after watching this video, you will
Bro, wake up, you're gonna miss your quiz.
What? Who's this?
I'm you. Stop dreaming. You're gonna miss your quiz. Wake up.
Quiz? I'm billionaire, bro. What quiz?
सात बज गए कुछ छूट गया
Hey everyone, so I hope you like the intro part. So I tried to make it a little bit fun and all stuff, but apart from that, let's talk to the main point of what you guys are watching this video for. But before starting this video, let me just clear out the purpose of making this video. To be honest, like I'm not that experienced in stock market. I have just started like a year ago. It's almost a year. Like in this year, whatever I have learned, what I'm just sharing it with you all in this 1 year, whatever I've learned. So that's the whole point, that to create awareness about stock market and its benefits, so that the people who are young, who are like in their 20s and all, they just don't miss out the opportunity. That's the opportunity I'm talking about. Like if you're in your 20s, this is your right time to if you're watching it in your 20s, so you are taking a great decision right now. But still, there are like millions of people in India who do not invest in stocks. If you compare with numbers, you will see that out of 100% of India's population, only 2% invest in stock market, and that's like really low if you compare it with USA. Because the countries like USA, the people there, according to population, 50% more, in fact more than 50% of people invest in stock market. So if you compare 50% and 2%, it's like, we have more population and only 2% invest in it. So my purpose of making this video is that this 2% number, at least if I am able to contribute at least 0.0000001% of this 2.1, like at least after watching this video, like 2 or 3 people join the stock market, that would be like a great success for me. So that's the whole purpose. So let's not waste any more time and start the video. So let us start with basics of stock market part 1. So in this video we'll cover up 3 questions, that is, what is a stock market, then basic terminologies in the stock market, and how to open a trading account on Grow app. So why I'm using the Grow app, I will explain it later on this video. So let's start with the first topic, that is, what is stock market. So if you look at the definition of a stock market, it says that the stock market refers to the collection of markets and exchanges where regular activities of buying, selling, and issuance of shares of publicly held companies take place. So by looking at the definition, we are not like exactly clear what a stock market is, right? We cannot like clearly understand what the stock market does and all. So let us understand it with a fictional company called MyStock, where it sells items like cups, plates, spoons, fork, glass, mug, pan, etc. So this is all their business, and all they earn profits or revenues, whatever they earn from everything, by selling this. So let us imagine that after starting the company for a year or so, the revenue was generated like around 300 crores. Let us take this as an example, that the revenue generated was 300 crore rupees. So now what happens is that the company is earning good revenue and the profits are good, so everything is going good, right? So what the founders decide is that let us expand the business, let us see if other people also that are like, if whether they like it or not and all stuff. So now since they have decided to expand their business and all, now they need funds, right? In order to expand a business, you need a good amount of money, right? So now they have found out that the 300 crore money that they have generated in the revenue, in a year revenue, that was not enough funds. That was not like enough to expand their business and all. Now imagine like the founders are very ambitious people. They don't want to back out and all. They don't want to stay at the same level. They just want to grow. So but the funds are like a kind of barrier for them right now. So what they decide is to create an IPO of their company. The founders of MyStop decided that they will offer an IPO for the company to the public. So what is IPO? IPO stands for initial public offering. We will discuss about IPO later on this video, but as of now, let us understand that the company is offering an IPO to the public. So the founders of the company went to the stock market. They listed their company as the initial public offering, and the stock market accepted their offer, and they listed the company in there with the other companies. So if you talk about other companies, what comes in mind? We can take examples of various companies like Reliance, ITC, SBI, Cipla, TCS. Now what are this? So Reliance is basically famous for Geo, as we all know. If you look around your kitchen or anywhere, you will definitely find, so every Indian household has one ITC product, right? Same as well goes for SBI. Like in a family, in a group of family, like 4 or 5, at least one person has a SBI account. Similarly, among these all companies, Cipla, TCS, MyStop also, suppose, let us assume that they get an IPO for 350 rupees per share. So now they have listed their company in the stock market, and now people are seeing that a new company has come. So what the public does is they buy a share of a company from the stock market, and they become a rightful shareholder of the MyStop company. Now they are the owner of a share of MyStop. So this is the, you can say, as the cycle of how it usually works. So these are the public, or the people, whichever are the retail investors, influencers, or whatever you can say it, or the promoters and all. So they buy a share from the stock market, and now what the stock market does is they give a share to the people, and whatever the money is generated, they take a few percentage of the money as their like service money, and whatever money is generated, they deliver it to the company, which is the MyStop. So this is the basic cycle that usually works. So since the public is giving us money now in order to expand MyStop company, now what they do is the revenue has increased, the profit margins have increased, now they are getting all the money and stuff. Now they open a new outlets of their business now. So this is the whole purpose of a stock market, where they list the company in the stock market, and they offer, in a small amount of money, we will give you a share of our company. So this is the deal break they do in the stock market. So this is how actually the stock market works. I hope this was understandable, and let's end this video here for now, otherwise the length of the video will become too long. For the next part of what is stock market, click on the right side of your screen. It will direct you to the next half of this video. So if you like this video, then press the like button. If you have any questions regarding this video, comment down below and let me know. And last but not the least, a sub to the channel would be great. Bye bye.